To be requesting parents is just give us some random objects that come to your mind, right? Any object, any random object. What's an example of a random object? A microphone, right? Any random object. All right. So we'll start here, ma'am.
Stone.
Stone. Do we have an? Yeah, we have an extra microphone. Yes, ma'am.
A telescope.
A telescope. Yes.
Stars.
Stars.
Watch.
A wristwatch.
Yes.
Okay.
Tree.
Tree.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Glasses.
Glasses, the one that you wear to see better? Okay, glasses.
Headphones.
Headphones.
House.
House. Okay.
Airport.
Airport.
Homework.
Okay. Thank you. I thought you were going to say brother this time. So sister is not doing homework, or is she doing homework? Okay, homework. Last one.
Car.
Car. Okay, that's good. Take a break. All right. Thank you, parents. It took us little over 2 minutes to randomly get this object. One from each of you, two from some of you. We are actually out of space on the board. If you had a longer whiteboard, we could have kept going and going and going. But here's what is going to happen. I am going to give all of you nearly 10 minutes, no, let's say 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, kids, listen to this. In 15 minutes, these parents are going to come here and recall all these objects for us. Right, parents? Yes, that's what you signed up for. Didn't you see the small note we sent at home? Yeah, you're in for a surprise. This was it. This is the surprise. Right? You are going to come in here and recall. How does it feel? Will you do it confidently? Of course you can. No? Really? Alright. What do you think, kids? We'll just excuse them for now. Right?
Yeah.
But I promise you, my kids here are going to do that. Every single one of them is capable of doing it. But we'll only have a few. Here only a few will do. But when you go back home and you want to test them, they will be able to do it. Right? Yes?
Yes.
Alright. Everyone here. These random objects that we had taken from all the parents. How long ago was this board flipped? A long time ago, right? So the children that are going to actually show this, they didn't have visibility into what these words are except for the first few minutes, right? Alright. So I'm going to call upon Aditya. You're waving at me. What do you want to do?
The first 1 through 15.
Alright, come on up here.
And maybe 16.
Okay.
So
Speak loudly.
the
Because
first one is stone, the second is telescope, the third is stars, fourth is watch, fifth is tree, sixth is strawberry, seventh is glasses, eighth is popcorn, ninth is computer, 10th is rose, 11th is lily, 12th is sister, 13th is monkey, 14th is pen, 15th is shirts, and 16th is soccer ball.
Alright, okay. Thank you, Aditya. We're going to call you back a little later because some of your friends are going to continue the magic. I'm going to call all of you towards the end and have you do some more. Who is going to do? Aditya, what do you want to do?
I'm doing 16 through 31. I was originally supposed to do 16, but
Alright.
so I'm going to start from 16, which is soccer ball, and then 17 is sky, 18 is keys, 19 is cap, 20 is Q, 28 is dream, 29 is bracelet, 30 is light bulb, and 31 is fingers.
Who's ready next? Got it? Who is ready next? Tanvi. All right, Tanvi.
Fingers, whiteboard, phone, sandals, focus, lens, hair clip, jacket, cup, jacket, earrings, cup, mug, towel, skateboard, elbow, belt chain.
Come on up, Abhirav. Tell them what you're going to do.
I will be doing 16 to 31. Soccer ball, sky, keys, cap, bicycle, book, volcano, door, shoes, chair, handbag, cube, dream, bracelet, light bulb, and fingers.